Welcome to the Canterbury Workshop Shaker Furniture Series. I'm Joe DeBottis. In this tutorial, we'll model the back apron for our shaker tables. We'll start by creating a new component and naming it Back Apron. Hit OK to complete this action. Next, we'll click on the two-point rectangle icon, then choose the left plane to begin our sketch. Start at the origin and draw out a 5 1/2 inch by 14 inch rectangle. Hit the return key twice to lock in the values. Resize the sketch to bring it into full view. Then press Q for push-pull. Enter 3/4 inch in the distance entry and be sure New Body is selected in the operation entry. Click on OK to complete the action. Rotate the model using the view cube so that the front is visible. Now click on the two-point rectangle icon, then choose the front face of our model. Draw out a 1/2 inch wide by 4 inch rectangle and click Enter. Using the Sketch Dimension tool, move this rectangle 3/4 inch from the bottom edge and 1/8 inch from the right edge of our model. Rotate the model slightly to the left and right-click on the portion of the model face outside the rectangle to bring up the menu. Left-click on Push-Pull and enter -1/2 inch in the distance entry. Be sure Cut is in the operation entry and then hit OK. This creates the 1/2 inch deep tenon on the left side of the model. Next, click on Construct in the toolbar and select Mid-Plane. Rotate the model and left-click on the tenon face to select it. Then rotate the model around to select the opposite face. Be sure two planes are selected in the Planes entry, then hit OK. Rotate the model once again so that the drawn tenon and midplane are in view. Left-click on Create in the Tool menu and select Mirror. Be sure Features is selected in the Pattern Type entry, then left-click on the Extrude in the Timeline to select it. Click on the Mirror Plane entry and then select the midplane. Be sure Identical is in the Compute Entry option, then hit OK to complete the mirror action. Turn off the sketches and the construction under the Back Apron component. Save this model to the Shaker Tables file, naming it Back Apron. Next time, we'll model the side aprons for our classic shaker tables.